This white wine sangria is one of my favorite drinks to serve in the spring and the summer when the weather gets warmer, we're hanging out outside and my friends come over. It's a light and refreshing cocktail that feels elegant and special, but it couldn't be easier to make. It only requires a few ingredients and a couple minutes to assemble. Then you can serve it to your friends and impress everyone you know. Let me start by walking you through the ingredients. You need a bottle of crisp white wine. I love this Kirkland Signature bottle of Pinot Grigio that I get from Costco. It's inexpensive, it's light and fruity, it's not too heavy or too sweet. Then we're gonna do a half a cup of orange liqueur. I'm using Grand Marnier, but you can do a triple sec or a Cointreau, something like that. We need a cup of strawberries that we're gonna quarter, take off the tops, and then 2 or 3 oranges depending on what we get out of them. Same thing for the lemons. Then when we get ready to serve, we're gonna finish it with a bubbly water. We'll talk more about your options for that in a second. I have all my fruit washed and dried. We're gonna start with the strawberries by taking off the top and cutting them into quarters. Add your strawberries to a big pitcher. Save a couple of the smaller strawberries that you can use later for garnishing when you serve. Next, we'll get going on the citrus. So I'm gonna slice 2 oranges and 2 lemons. Make sure when you're shopping for these in the grocery store that you try to find some that are not too big so that the slices really fit well in your glasses. Now you can add an entire bottle of white wine. Whatever you like to drink in the summer is great for this recipe. And then you're gonna do your orange liqueur. This is the secret ingredient that makes this drink really special. Now that you have all of your base ingredients in your pitcher, you're gonna give it a good stir and pop it in the refrigerator to chill for 1 to 2 hours so those fruity flavors can infuse. Once you take your sangria out of the fridge and you're ready to serve, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna add about 12 ounces of some kind of bubbly beverage. I'm using strawberry flavored Waterloo. You could do club soda, you could do ginger ale or Sprite. Whatever bubbles you wanna add to this, now is the time. We don't do it earlier because we wanna keep the bubbles. We don't want them to go flat. So that's why we wait until we serve. Okay, we're gonna give it one more stir. And then we are going to serve it in some glasses. So I'd say we have about 5 to 6 servings in this pitcher. I like to add a few pieces of each fruit to the bottom of my wine glass before I pour the sangria over. The ice is purely optional. It just depends on how you like to serve your drink. We're gonna pour a nice healthy serving right over the top and get ready to garnish. Okay, here are your resources to save this recipe. I have a link down in the description that can take you to fancyaproncooking.com, or if you're watching on TV, you can scan this QR code and get to the website that way. If you have any recipe requests, please let me know in the comments. Voila, what do you think? Let's take a sip real quick. It's perfect. Restaurant quality at home. So thank you so much for watching this with me today, hanging out. If you need more easy recipes for holidays and entertaining, this is what I am here for. I love making those days when you're having people over and you're a little stressed out about all of the things that you have to do easier with a good plan and with a good recipe that's not hard to do. That's why this checks all the boxes. So make sure you subscribe, come back and we'll do this some more.